One fascinating application of PL/SQL is in the field of space exploration. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL, uses PL/SQL extensively to manage data from space missions, including those involving rovers like Curiosity on Mars. In the case of the Curiosity rover, PL/SQL is used to process the massive amounts of data collected by the rover's scientific instruments. This data includes images, spectrographs, and other measurements that provide insights into the Martian environment. PL/SQL scripts are used to sort, categorize, and analyze this data, helping scientists and engineers make critical decisions about the rover's activities and discoveries. What makes this story even more intriguing is the challenge of working with a remote rover on another planet. The data transmitted from Mars to Earth has a significant time delay due to the vast distance, requiring a unique approach to data processing. PL/SQL's ability to efficiently handle and manage data plays a crucial role in making sense of the information sent by the rover. This story highlights how PL/SQL is not only relevant in traditional industries but also in cutting-edge fields like space exploration, where its data management and processing capabilities are essential for advancing our understanding of the universe.